Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimkart. Happy Republic Day to you. Today let us learn about Republic Day of India. Republic Day is celebrated every year in India on January 26th to commemorate the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect in the 1950 and the country became a republic. India became independent on August 15, 1947, but it was not a date that India had chosen for itself. Rather, it was thrust upon by Lord Louis Mountbatten as it marked the second anniversary of Japan's submission to Allied powers after World War II. While India became independent from British Raj following the Indian independence movement, it didn't have a constitution of its own. Indian laws were based off a modified version of British established Government of India Act of 1935. 2 weeks later, a drafting committee with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman was appointed for drafting a permanent Indian constitution. Although the constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949, it came into force on January 26, 1950, a day chosen by Indians for themselves, for it held immense significance for the country. The significance of January 26 is that on that day in 1929, the Indian National Congress made the well-known declaration of Purna Swaraj or complete self-rule, and Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the tricolour on the banks of Ravi River. The date set for independence was January 26, 1930, and was celebrated as Purna Swaraj Day for the next 17 years. Thus, when the Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949, many considered it is necessary to celebrate the document on a day associated with national pride, which was January 26th. The Indian Republic Day is celebrated all across India with lots of patriotism and fervor. At Rajpath in Delhi, magnificent parades by regiments of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and paramilitary forces are witnessed. India's defense prowess is on display too, with the latest missiles, aircraft, and weapon systems. Beautiful tabulas representing the uniqueness of all the states of India are also showcased during the parade. The celebration usually ends with numerous air shows and flypasts by the Indian forces. It is the day when every community comes together and celebrates, leaving past all their differences. India will be celebrating its 72nd Republic Day this year. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.